If you've forgotten your Netflix password, it can be super frustrating, especially when you just want to relax and watch your favorite shows. But there's a way to find it quickly, so stick around because I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So here's what you can do. Number one, check your iCloud keychain. So if you have your password saved in iCloud keychain, it's easy to find. Just go to your iPhone settings, tap on your name, and then iCloud under Keychain. Turn it on and look for your Netflix login details. Number two, use Safari passwords. So open Safari, tap on the settings, and go to passwords. Search for Netflix and it might show your password right there. Number three, reset your Netflix password. So if you can't find it, simply go to Netflix website and click Forgot Password to reset it. Number four, use third-party password managers. Apps like LastPass or Dashlane can store your Netflix password securely. Number five, check your email for Netflix account info. Sometimes Netflix sends account details in the confirmation emails. So take action now. Never worry about forgetting your Netflix passwords again. If you found this helpful, make sure to like. Let me know if this worked for you. Subscribe. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.